Are you tired of missing out on lucrative trading opportunities? Do you want to profit from established trends without falling victim to sudden market swings? Look no further. At its core, trend trading is a strategy that aims to profit from market trends by timing pullbacks and breakouts. Here's how it works. The indicator recognizes bullish and bearish trend changes, as well as pullbacks and breakouts that occur within those trends. It also accounts for corrections during both uptrends and downtrends, giving valuable information about how exhausted the trend might be. By focusing on established trends, the indicator gains a competitive edge in the market. This multi-dimensional approach to trends allows the indicator to provide an average of 10 different trade opportunities for each trend, avoiding staying on the sidelines during established trends. The most reliable signals of the indicator are pullbacks, marked by orange 2s. Next in line are breakouts, which are mostly reliable signals, marked by gray 3s. Finally, trend changes are marked by blue 1s, but trading trend changes can cause your position to be whipsawed. And finally, corrections are marked by blue or red dashes, which are informative only, and are not trading signals, but warnings about the trend being exhausted. Whenever corrections accumulate in a short amount of time, you know for certain that the trend is exhausted. It is important to notice that false breakouts, or false trends, will reverse quickly and won't offer tradable pullbacks or breakouts. By using this indicator, you will not be hopping into false trends. The indicator implements a multi-timeframe dashboard, enabling traders to analyze multiple timeframes simultaneously. The performance statistics on the chart make it easy to find the best indicator parameters. Additionally, the indicator is non-repainting and non-backpainting, providing reliable signals. The cherry on top are the customized email, sound, push, and visual alerts that can be enabled or disabled at will. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this indicator is suitable for you. It will prove useful for any instrument and time frame, from monthly charts to hourly charts. The Trend Trading Indicator is your all-in-one tool for trend following success. Don't miss out on another trend.